Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today I am sharing with you these adorable gingerbread DIYs, so if you guys want to see what I made and how I made it, then please keep watching. Alright, first up is this cutting board. It is for decoration purposes only. You will not be eating on this, but I got the wood cutting board cut out from Etsy, and I'm going to be using this folk art apple red paint. I'm going to apply 2 good coats so it's nice and opaque. Next, I'm going to take these little ornaments. They are made of rubber. I got them from Amazon. It came in a pack of, I believe, 12. They're super cute. And then I got this North Pole Cookie Co. Decal from Etsy. I wish I had a Cricut. If I had a Cricut, I would make it myself, but I don't. So I'm going to go ahead and cut off the little ornament hooks from the top of those gingerbread men. I'm going to go ahead and place everything on here. As you can see, I did cut the decal in half. So I put the North Pole on the top and then the Cookie Company on the bottom, and then put the gingerbread in the middle. So I got all my placement just right. Now I'm going to hot glue my gingerbread man and girl down on the cutting board. And here's what it looks like so far. Now I couldn't decide which ribbon I wanted to use, the bigger bow, the smaller bow. They're both red and white gingham that I got from Hobby Lobby, but I did end up going with the smaller ribbon and it looks adorable. Alright, next up is our rolling pins. I got a pack of 3 from Hobby Lobby. They are blank. I went ahead and painted the other 2 off camera just to save time. So I'm going to go ahead and paint this one red and white. So I'll paint the handles red with that same exact red paint. And then this white paint, or any white paint that you have, we'll go ahead and paint the actual rolling pin itself. I did add 2 coats of white paint to this. Made sure it's good and opaque. So here's what it looks like when it's nice and dry. So we're going to do the gingerbread one first. So basically I'm going to take these cute little gingerbread man stickers from Hobby Lobby and I'm going to decoupage them, if you will, on the rolling pin. So I'm going to take the sticker, add some Mod Podge to the back, stick it on, and then add Mod Podge over the top. So I only did 2 gingerbread men, but you can do this all the way around or any design or style that you would like. But I thought this was simple and it's really, really adorable. I'm going to go ahead, like I said, and cover the top with Mod Podge just to seal it in. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing with the red and white one, but with the candy cane stickers I also got from Hobby Lobby. So I'm going to put the Mod Podge on the back and then seal it with the Mod Podge on top. Now this last one, I'm just going to simply add some charms. I got all of these charms from Hobby Lobby. They are so adorable, and this twine also came from Hobby Lobby. So I'm basically just going to attach my charms to the string, wrap the string around one side of the rolling pin, and that is it. I will add my charms at the end, and this one's super simple and easy to do. Here's what it looks like. So adorable and very simplistic. Really love this one. So I decided to go back through and add some ribbon and some more charms. All of these accessories I did get from Hobby Lobby. This little gingerbread button, I'm just going to fill in his buttons with some green puffy paint. So adorable. Really love these. Super simple, very cheap, much cheaper than what you would pay if you bought one of these already made on Etsy. So I really, really love these. Let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite. Alright, next up are these bottle cap ornaments. I had some of these bottle caps from last year's gingerbread DIYs. They were little macaroons. So I got all of these little ornaments and little trinkets from Hobby Lobby. I will link everything that I can if it's still available down below. Also got these little mini bows from Hobby Lobby last year. They did have them again. And then these little mini lollipop ornaments, some assorted ribbon in Christmas colors, and then some puffy paint. So I'm basically just going to cut off some string here. You don't need to have a perfect measurement. I'm going to turn the bottle cap over, put a dollop of hot glue, and then I'm going to affix the little ribbon to the back of it here just to make like the hanger, if you can see what I'm talking about. So after that, you're just going to add your embellishments, and that is it. I thought this was so cute. It's going to go on my little tree in my kitchen, so it's perfect and mini, and they're not too large. So with the candy cane ones, I just clipped off the little hook ring there and then hot glued them in a crisscross pattern. Same with the little gingerbread guy, hot glued him down. I'm gonna fill in his little button areas with the puffy paint. Just makes it look more finished and adds some more color. Really love these. These came out so cute. And the finishing touch is the little red ribbon bow. Alright, here are the little mini lollipops. I went ahead and cut off the little hooks there for the string if you want to hang them as ornaments. Hot glue them down in a crisscross pattern just like we did with the candy canes. Add the little bow, and this one is done too. And here's what all of them look like. I even used some of the little mini cookie cutters. So adorable. Really love these. Alright, last but not least is our oven mitt. I got this red oven mitt from Dollar Tree. It was $1. Then I found these really cute iron-on patches from Etsy. I believe they were like $5 or $6 for all of them, so not a bad deal at all. And it's super cute. So I'm just going to put them down, see where I want them, get my placement right. Once I got my placement right, I'm just going to iron them on with a towel over top just to protect them. Make sure they're good and secure, and then once it's good and secure, I do run a medium to low heat iron over top just to really seal it in, and that is it. This one was super cute. Really like this one as well. Alright guys, that wraps up my gingerbread DIYs. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is the first video of the year. I do plan on doing at least 1 or 2 more of these gingerbread DIYs, so I do hope you guys stay tuned. Let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite. I really love the gingerbread cutting board. It was so cute. I really like that one. And these little mini ornaments, they worked out perfectly on my tiny little tree in my kitchen. I couldn't be more happy. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't done so already, and hit that notification bell if you guys want to be notified of all my future uploads, especially you fellow gingerbread lovers. I'm going to be making a lot more gingerbread content, so you guys definitely want to stick around. But that is all, you guys. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas time.